Hey guys, how's it going? How to set up Meta AI. So you have two options. You can go ahead to your browser and just type Meta AI and you can access Meta AI or the Meta Artificial Intelligence, and you can set up or make my email sound more professional. You can simulate a mock interview and image an image or whatever that might means to you, and you can train your Meta AI just like ChatGPT, just like any other AI tool, so they can comprehend and understand how or what's your preferences, right? What do you prefer more? And make sure that when you follow up with Meta AI, you're going to be able to see the three bars at the top left, and you're going to be able to see, of course, your conversations or your requests to the AI. So basically, you can train your Meta AI to lots of example, image and image, cool street art, memory machine, whatever that might be, and now they will generate their own, image for free. You don't need to do anything. But if you want to use Meta AI, let's say for example you are using WhatsApp or Messenger or Facebook, which is all connected to Meta, the same company, you can basically go back to your screen. And let's say, for example, I'm using Messenger, so let's go for that example. And I'm gonna go ahead to the Messenger App Store or Google Play, and I'm gonna make sure that I update it to the latest version. I can now open it up and then search right here by clicking search at the top right, and you can see the Meta AI appearing, or the Meta AI logo right here, right? So I could just go ahead and click, for example, help me meditate, and now they're gonna give me an answer to how can I meditate, right? And if you want to generate image, they will help you generate image, right? You can just ask them like generate machine, right? And you could go ahead to the conversation or click the logo and generate image of machine, right? And now they're imagining and they will write down, they will send me the picture, right? So now, as you can see, this is a high quality picture. I can now save it to my device. So I can train the Meta AI if you're using WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram for that matter. You can train your Meta AI to generate image or whatever niche you are in. Maybe you want to write a professional email. Make sure that you go to the Meta AI and log in with your account, of course, and start talking with the Meta AI, and they will understand better if you follow up with the same conversation. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.